Hi everyone, hope you're keeping well. This is Cyndy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of whatever stuff I brought back from Japan. So here they are. It's a very big bag and I'm just going to take you through one by one because I bought this quite a long time ago, so I don't remember exactly what they are, but I'm trying to be thorough. To shop duty-free in Japan for cosmetics, you're not allowed to open and use them while in Japan. If you want to use them while in Japan, you can't read them through duty-free, so you have to bear that in mind. First two are Helena Rubinstein skincare. This is Helena Rubinstein Power Cell Skin Community Youth Refining. This is a serum. And I've been using this for quite a few years. This is just a top up and I love this product. It's lovely and light and goes under makeup, especially in a hotter climate. It doesn't have that residue rolls off your face when you apply foundation or cushion foundation. So yeah, this really nice and light. This is something that I really love. Same as for the eye cream. This eye cream is nice and light. It goes really well under makeup. It doesn't smudge. Those are the two. And this one actually I bought when I was in South Korea, in Seoul. And this is called Jung Sun Moon. She is a very famous celebrity makeup artist. She then launched her own brand using her own name. This is a cushion and I have been using this extensively when I was in South Korea and Japan. It has a very fine texture and it's water resistance. When I was in Japan and South Korea, the weather was so hot and this is really light and has a natural shine to it and it stays on all day. It was my lifesaver. Hopefully I can buy this in the UK. If not, I'll just have to buy this from the Far East and get them shipped over. But these are the new masks got left. These are the ones that I bought from South Korean Seoul. And this is a zinc derm band mask. This is a tea tree times with Sika and the retinol and LHA. This one just a Madagascar side essential mask. I bought so many of them when I was in South Korea because they were on special offer. You can buy 3 for 2 and so I bought loads of soothing ones because the weather was super hot and while I was out there, so I've been using these masks at the end of the day to calm my skin down. So these are the few that I've got left. This one I've started using it since I've been back. This is Excel. It's a chemist brand. It's not very expensive and very basic day-to-day brown earthy looking palette and they're just like 4 colors in them. So from the light one, this is the second one, that's the medium one, and this is the darkest one. So you can see that there's 4 colors. Quite creamy and the powder stays on quite well and it doesn't smudge, and also you can see the powder is pressed down quite firmly, so there's not much loose powder flying around, so it's not too bad. And then the next is a concealer palette. So you can see there's the reddish color under eye, which is a Jewelry Unlimited makeup fixing mist. I bought duty-free and make a mist and liquid eyeliner. It's this one day tattoo because I ran out of eyeliner when I was out there, so I often bought this back, the same one. I loved it so much, so they went back and restocked. Bring back with me. It has a really lovely sharp tip and it's a maroon brown color, so it's used for day. It's really smudge free. Water resistance, it does last, so good. I love this one. And also this is the same thing and just darker color, so this is bitter brown, so it's exactly the same one. And I'm going to show you how it's drawn. You can see the tip is really fine tip, so I'll draw it. You can see goes on really well. See, it doesn't smudge at all. Really nice. Not expensive, but it stays on for 24 hours. So just 2. So that I have a spare. And what is this? Mineral watery shadow. Can't even remember what this is. Oh, ETVOS, Advos. I don't remember what this is. So is it this is oh, so it's a highlighter. Alright, okay. Shiny lasting eyeshadow. So yeah, I suppose you can use it as a highlighter or just use it as a base on the shadow, or use it in the middle of the upper eyelid or under the eye in the middle, so use it as a highlighter. And then, so what is this? So this is an eyebrow pencil. This is a brand CEZANNE, similar to the French fashion brand. And so you can see this is just such a super fine. Oh! Basically draw. Oh, this is not very good, is it? Yes, very fine brow strokes. So Tinker Wink. What is this? Eye serum concealer. Eye serum concealer. What is this? Oh, so use this as a base for the eyes before makeup. It's called a Glow Pink. Don't know why I bought that. Anyways, this just basically nail polish remover. They're in these sachets. You just open one sachet and then remove the nail varnish. But when I was out in Japan, I went out to have my nails done in the salon locally. I just found different salons that I just did my nails there because the price is reasonable. I had plenty of time, so that's why I did it. But I use this as a emergency packet, so you can see here is Loft, is the chemist / general store. It's very, very popular. So it's nail polish remover. And a few more left. So this is a compact powder. It's called Too Cool Art Class Finishing Powder. It's very fine. Setting powder. You can see it's colorless, but this one sets the makeup really well. Doesn't leave any residue. So this is basically a top up for me. I've been using it for quite a few years actually. It's a Korean brand, but you can buy them in Japan. And this is a brow mascara brow brush. So basically you can just use this to tidy up the eyebrows once you've done the eyebrows. So this just basically says is in a brownish color. Again, the one I've got from Kiko ran out, so I went out and bought one of these and then I loved it, so this is a spare. And this one, what is it? Don't really want to open it. So this is basically pore minimizing stick. So I'll open this one. I'll open this here. So this is like a primer to go on before makeup. It's just basically a primer, and before eye foundation to minimize pores. So that's that. And then this one is a Serum Fit Pullover Soft Stick Concealer. Yeah, so this is a concealer. It's like lipstick. Like this. I bought two, and again, I just tried it like this product, so I bought one of them, tried to see if it's good, and then it was really good, so this is a spare again. And then, what is this? Found Sealer. Why I got so many concealer? And B is the name. Look at the cute bunnies on the packaging. They're really cute. Basically just two colors. Let's try it. Where do I try it? I always love a good foundation, like the base for my makeup, because without a nice base the makeup doesn't look nice. So I always love to buy foundation, concealer, and pore minimizing, all these things. And then what is this? So this is a face edition. This is skin base for oily skin. It has a SPF factor of 35 PA++. So this is again to be used before makeup. This is anti-smudging primer, I would call it, because in Japan it was super hot. Otherwise the makeup just ran off the face. I know I've tried this before I bought it when I was in the store. It's a primer with a slight pinkish tone. So after this, can put the foundation, cushion foundation on, so it will stay. It's quite soft. Oh wow, it's powdery now. Oh my god, that's really nice. So I'm using a tissue. Very minimum, so it turns powdery. So yeah, this is it. This is all the makeup stuff that I've got from Japan. So you can see that they're all here. So if you ever go to Japan, please pay a visit to Loft. You will find loads of lovely things. And oh yeah, but these Helena Rubinstein and a shoe mirror I got from Eastan, from a Japanese department store, Eastan. So yeah, and the rest are all from Loft. Okay, so that is it today. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and have a lovely weekend. Bye.